What's up everybody, this is John from the App Studio team and welcome to another tutorial where today we'll be talking about the new and improved Twitter data source. As you can see, it's right down here. Instead of going and clicking on the plus sign to add it to one of our sections, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on our name up here right next to your sign out button. So go ahead and click on your username. It's going to take you to your new managed auth key section, which some of you probably have not seen. And let's go ahead and create a brand new auth key. We're going to choose Twitter, and we're going to name it Twitter Demo. You can name yours whatever you want. Now, we need a few things here. We need a consumer key, consumer secret, access token, and access token secret. And the way we're going to get those is we're going to go and create and maintain our Twitter apps. I'm going to right-click, open in a new tab, and I'm going to sign in with my Twitter account. And I am going to click Create New App. Now, I'm going to name it App Studio Tutorial Video, and you can name it whatever you want, however it applies to your app. Give it a generic description. Now, the website. If you have a website of your own, I would recommend that you use that. If you do not, you can go ahead and use the App Studio link, which is http://appstudio.windows.com. Now, we don't need a callback URL, so we can go ahead and leave that blank. We will agree to Twitter's developer agreement. I would recommend that you read through it and figure out what you're agreeing to. I've already done this a few times, so I'm just going to go ahead and click Yes, I agree, and create my application. And now what I have here is I have some application settings and organization, and what I need is to go to keys and access tokens, and I will create my access token right here. And now I have a consumer key and a consumer secret, and I have an access token and an access token secret. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy these line by line and go back to App Studio and paste them into their respective fields. You should be doing the same thing. Alright, and now access token secret is my last one. Alright, now I'm going to click validate. And it didn't like that, so I am going to copy and paste the access token secret one more time. And it worked that time. Perfect. So now you'll see I have tutorial Instagram, tutorial demo, and Twitter demo created less than 1 minute ago. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my projects in App Studio, open up the project that I want to insert Twitter into, go ahead and click the plus sign on Twitter, and then choose Twitter Demo, which I just created. Now, there's a couple of different ways, a few different ways that we can interact with the Twitter data source. So the first one is going to be a search, which is just a hashtag. So, for instance, hashtag Windows App Studio. If I hit confirm, I'm going to get a Twitter feed of everyone talking about hashtag Windows App Studio. And now if I want to change that, I can go ahead and click edit. I'm going to stay on the page and click save first. I can click edit, go to data, and then you'll see here that I can change how I'm going to interact with it. So now if I do home timeline, it just pulls my account, my home timeline, right? Which is pretty neat. Everything I follow. Now if I go to user timeline, I can specify a username, like Microsoft. And you'll see here that now it displays all of Microsoft's tweets. I'm going to go ahead and click save. I'm going to go back to my content. And then if I want to change the way that this is all displayed, I can hit edit and I can go here to pages and layout. And so I can choose no pictures, I can choose some pictures, I can choose large images. Now it looks like the Microsoft account uses the same image for all of its tweets, and so I'm probably going to actually just go plain text, and then I will hit save. And so now you can see that I previously added an Instagram feed in one of my previous tutorials, and it's still here. And now I have my brand new Twitter feed as well, all from the Microsoft account. So I have the Microsoft Twitter, Instagram, and Twitter. So as usual, if you have any questions, you can reach us on our support forum, and please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.